Greetings. Today we're going to publish a test to Blackboard using Respondus. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Respondus and then come over here, make sure the Start tab is highlighted, and then click Open. From here we will use the world history test that we've already created. We'll give that a click and then click Open, and you'll see that it will load down here. Now then we'll come up here. This is our test. We're going to come up here. We're going to go to Preview and Publish, and we're going to click Publish to Blackboard, and then open up the Publish wizard. Now our first question, or the first decision, is going to be whether or not to publish this to a single course, to multiple courses, or to save as a local file for manual uploading. Today we're going to keep it at publish to a single course. And then the next thing we want to do is come over here and click on the Blackboard server, and we're going to say Add New Server, and in the box that opens we're going to say no, I want to enter the server settings manually, and click Next. From the window that opens, as you can see at the very top, you will follow those instructions. You'll go to your browser, you'll go to your Blackboard login page, and then you'll copy the address of that and place it in this first box. So now I'm at I've opened up my browser, and I'm at the login page of my Blackboard site. I'm going to click up here in the URL. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to press Control-C on my keyboard, or you can, with your mouse in the address, you can right-click your mouse and say Copy. Then here in my Respondus window, I will click in that first box and press Control-V on my keyboard, or I can right-click in here and say Paste, and the address will be pasted. Now I'll do the same thing with the number 2, where it says go to the course you have instructor rights to, and then copy the address into the box below. So back at my web browser, I've logged into my Blackboard account, and here are the courses where I'm an instructor, and I'm going to click on this particular shell. This is for training, and here's the address. So I'll come up here and I'll click up in there, and I'll right click and then copy, and back at Respondus I'll click here in this second box, and then I'll right click and say Paste, and the address is loaded in there. And then I will press the Extract button, which will then load all of the specific and pertinent information for the Blackboard server. Next, I'll come down here to the description and type a short description for the Blackboard server. I'm just going to type my name. You can do the same. I'm going to say Mark Test Server. And then here you've got to log in. You've got to put the username and password that you use to log into Blackboard with. So this is my username, and then I will put in my password. And if I want Respondus to remember this, then I'll just click this box here and then click OK. So now I'm publishing my test to a single course, and it's going to this server, this new test server, and I'm going to click Next. And now I've got to decide where I want to publish the test. So I'll come over here and click the down arrow. I'm going to publish it to this test shell. Then I have to determine if I'm going to create a new exam or replace an existing exam. And since I already have a world history exam on that Blackboard site, I'm going to come over here and click replace existing exam. And then I'm going to have to choose which one I want to replace. It's the world history one. And then I'll click next. And it gives me this message. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and click yes. Now, finally, I need to click on the area that I want this exam to go to. And for this course, I'm going to say, let's go to the course content area and click next. And you'll see that all of the steps are being taken care of one at a time. It's removing the old questions, uploading the new ones, linking, and we're finished. Okay, back at the Blackboard course, you can see that the test has come over. It has been published, but you can see that it is not available. And so if you come to the down arrow and give it a left click, and then from the menu that opens, click the Edit the Test Options option, you can see here that number 2, test availability, make the link available, yes. And then if you wanted to add a new announcement for this test, you would also click yes. And then you have other options here for the test that you would set. And when you're done, you just simply go up to the top and click submit. And you have successfully published a test to Blackboard through Respondus. Congratulations.